Alright, in this problem, we're looking at income attributable to controlling and non-controlling interests in the presence of subsidiary preferred stock. Assume that a parent owns 80% of a subsidiary that has 6% preferred stock outstanding with a reported par value of $720,000. Aside from the preferred dividends, no other dividends are paid, i.e. no dividends are paid to the common shareholders. The parent owns none of the preferred stock. Assume that the subsidiary reports net income of $117,000. During the year, the parent company reports $261,000 of pre-consolidated income from its operations, so prior to any equity method adjustments by the parent. Compute the amount of consolidated net income attributable to the non-controlling interest and the amount of net income attributable to the controlling interest. And so I have an Excel sheet open here so that we can just pull down some of this information and do our calculations. And so we'll start out by calculating the preferred dividends for the year. And we have 6% and 720,000, so I'll say 720,000 times 6%, and so we have preferred dividends of 43,200, and we need that because we have to subtract it out of the income. So let's see where we have that. The subsidiary reports net income of 117,000, and so down here I'm just going to put our subsidiary income and just type the 117 so that we can cell reference it. And so then we can determine the income after the dividend, which means that there's only 73,800 to split up between the non-controlling interest and the controlling interest. And so we can go ahead and do that. So for the non-controlling, we can take the 73,800 times the 20% because the parent owns 80%, so times 20 for 14,760. The controlling interest would then be the 80%. So multiply it by the 0.8. Okay, so now we have this information. So the consolidated net income attributable to the non-controlling interest is our 73,800. Sorry, the 14,760. Let me get Excel back here. And then for the controlling interest, we have this 59,000, but we also have to consider what the parent's standalone income was. So it was 261. And so when we add those together, we have 320,040 to the parent or the controlling interest. And we've solved that one.